will be continuing from the other day, out of another heavily Southern GOP-leaning state targets Roe v. Wade. Mississippi this time is targeting Roe v. Wade at the Supreme Court. So Mississippi's Attorney General on Thursday asked the Supreme Court to overrule Roe v. Wade, the landmark 1973 decision that guarantees the right to abortion. Attorney General Lynn Fitch of Republican called the Supreme Court's precedent on abortion egregiously wrong in the filing. Referring to the cases Roe v. Wade and Planned Parenthood v. Casey, Fitch wrote, "They have proven hopelessly unworkable. They have inflicted profound damage, and decades of progress have overtaken them." And this is the list of the filings. So these are the same people that argue for endless war. These are the same people that argue against free healthcare, that argue against free college, that argue against helping the poor and the working poor. And you have the right to stand on your pedestal and call anything egregiously wrong. People are dying on the streets every single day because they can't go to a hospital. We've demonstrated this in the COVID-19 pandemic, especially that our system is not working. It is not working. And yet, we want to talk about reproductive rights. We want to talk about people's decisions about their own bodies being egregiously wrong when there's some people we don't give a choice to. This is just disgusting. It's so based in religious ideology and just bigotry. There's no reason that any man, any one man, or any man in general should be really talking about this and trying to make a hard line decision on it of what he thinks a female should do with their body. And this is continuing to happen now, and the big problem is a lot of these, I think, these talks have been on for a long time, but the big issue now is, and why they're coming back so strongly, is that the Supreme Court is leaning heavily conservative, and the Supreme Court is the only thing that can overrule Supreme Court rulings. So if this were to come back up in debate, we give these people, we give these members of the Supreme Court a lot of power, and it's a lifetime seat. So they're bringing up, conservatives are heavily bringing up issues, the Supreme Court issues that they've been fighting for, that they haven't had a chance to really strike back against because of the majority or the split party within the Supreme Court. So now I'm worried about reproductive rights. I'm worried about trans rights getting through. I'm worried about a lot of people in the LGBTQ community getting their rights overturned or not getting them at all, and women as well. So this is terrifying, and hopefully this man will be stopped.